Greetings friends, pleasure meet you in another video. So welcome to another pre-market analysis of Midcap Nifty and Nifty. So before going into Midcap Nifty and Nifty, so we'll be looking at Sensex expiry, which was last Friday. And I have given the pre-market analysis for Sensex, and the market has behaved exactly as what I have told. Okay, so see, what I have told is that this is a strong supply zone, and this was the setup that I have given here, right? So I have told that market might reverse from the 72,116 level or from 72,076 level. So if in case market is obeying this level, then this will be the setup I have told. Okay, and then I have given this setup, right? So if you see, if you look at the setup, it has obeyed exactly well. Okay, so regarding the stop loss, I have told in previous video that strong candle, 5-minute candle close above 72,150 level will be our stop loss, I have told. And you can see there is no candle close above this region itself, that is 72,114 itself. So the trade was good, and the entry was good, and it has and we were able to capture more than I think around 200 points, more than 250 points. Okay, this trade has given us. So that's how our analysis for the last Sensex analysis has worked. And regarding the up move here, I have clearly told that, see, this region is a strong buyer's region, right? So market might trap their stop losses and might reverse, I have told, and exactly that has happened, right? Okay, so this is all I have to tell in case of Sensex expiry. Also, when market has started coming up, see from exactly where it has reversed, right? Exactly from where it has reversed. And also see exactly how our target is also done. Exactly see how the target is done, right? So this is the level of my analysis, guys, right? So now let's move on to Nifty Midcap expiry, which is going to be on Monday, right? Okay, so talking about Nifty Midcap, so last Friday what has happened, we all know that a big gap up followed by a strong bear move. Okay, so this is what has happened. So talking about the important levels, mark 10,490 and 10,629. Okay, so these are all some two important levels within which the market could range, right, on the day of Monday. Also important supports include 10,514, 524, 529, 540 and 549. And important resistance include 10,571, 581, 591, 598 and 608. Okay, so these are the important resistance as far as Monday is concerned. Now let's see what do we have here, right? So we can clearly note that we do have active sellers in the market, right, at this region. Then followed by at this region we do have active sellers, followed by at this region we do have active sellers. Then if you look at this region, we are clearly seeing that we do have active buyers in the market as well. Okay, so today there was a strong fight between sellers and buyers in the market. Okay, now let's see what are all the probabilities for Monday. Okay, so if we talk about Monday, what could happen is that okay, technical issue, right? Yep, okay. So if you talk about Monday, see, today was NFP news day. So the news was negative. US market has reacted well to that. That is has given a fall. So if market has opened within our levels, then this level could obey, right? So let's assume that if market opens somewhere around here, let's talk about bear probabilities first. Okay, so we have a active seller zone here and here. Okay, so market needs to trap all these all these active members, so to give us a fall. So what could happen is that market might either come till 10,591 to 598 area, and then market might reverse. Okay, so this is the first probability. Okay, around this region market might come. Okay, If not, what could happen is that we have active sellers at this region as well, right? So what could happen, wait a minute, okay, so what could happen is that market might come till our extreme resistance here, that is 10,608 level, and then market might give us a strong fall. Okay, so these are all the two probabilities. Okay, let's assume that if our level is broken, that is if all this resistance level is broken, then this region, that is 10,000 618 to 10,625 area, so this is a strong resistance level. Okay, so what might happen is that market might come till here and then market might give us a fall. Okay, so these are all the predictions. Okay, so apart from that, this level, that is the blue line that we are seeing here, that is 10,629, may act as a good resistance. Okay, so this level is a make or break level, guys, that is 10,629 and 10,490 is a make or break level. That means let's assume that market is opening above this level, that is if market opens around here, okay, after breaking this zone, then you have to look for buy confirmation around this area. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. Now let's move on to bear probabilities, right? So talking about bear probabilities, see the only place where do we have buyers today, active member today, is that here we do have active members, right? This zone is a active members zone area, right? So here I am finding some level, guys. Okay, so this is a strong price action level. Okay, this is a strong price action level, right? Okay, so this is a strong price action level. So on the day of Monday, what could happen is that the buyers here, okay, the buyers here need to control the market. Okay, they need to control the market, okay, in order to give us a strong up move from here. Okay, so this is one of the probabilities. If not, what could happen is that, see, if we draw fib for this impulse, okay, we are finding our golden zone around this region. Okay, so this is our golden zone for the bull move, right? So tomorrow what could happen is that our bull move is coinciding with our strong demand zone here, right? So this is a strong demand zone. So what could happen is that the other probability is that market might come till 10,520 and market might reverse. Okay, that is around 10,523 to 10,529 area market might come, and then market might show us some reversal sign, right? And might give us a big move. Okay, now these are all the probabilities. Okay, now let's see the setups. Okay, so talking in case of bear moves, see, for the, in case if this level has obeyed, then the setup would be, okay, our entry is somewhere around within this region. Okay, and our stop loss will be, okay, our stop loss will be above 10,610 area. Okay, above 10,610 will be our stop loss. Okay, and our minimal target zone will be, okay, minimal target zone will be 10,559 area. Okay, 10,559 area. Okay, so this is the first setup, right? Now let's move on to the next setup. Okay, see the next setup, guys. Okay, in case if we are getting some confirmation around this level, right, then our entry will be somewhere around here with our stop loss above 10,620 we will be having our stop loss, and then the minimal target will be 10,559, right? So almost same stop losses for these trades. Yeah, so that's how market would obey. Okay, then for this move, if this region has obeyed, then have the stop loss above 10,629 area, and then have this have the 10,559 area as a minimal target, right? Okay. Right, so I hope all are clear with the bear moves. Now talking in terms of bull move. Okay, see, in case if this golden zone has worked, that is this golden zone sums up these supply these demand zones as well. Okay, so if you are finding some confirmation around here, then our minimal target will be around 10,005, okay, same 10,559, and our stop loss will be below this golden zone, right? Okay, now talking about stop losses, the stop losses is always strong candle close, guys. Okay, see, even here, okay, even here there has to be a strong 5-minute candle close above this region, right? Even here also the same, right? We have to find a strong candle close below this golden zone to find a bull setup. Now in if in case the second setup, wait a minute, Okay, if in case the second setup has obeyed, then we'll be see, then we will see what are all the setups. Now if this zone, that is around 10,503 to 10,496, if this zone has obeyed, then we'll be having our entry within okay, in this region, and then right, we will be having our stop loss below this blue line, that is below 10,490 will be our stop loss. That is a strong candle close below this level, then we will exit. Right. Okay, so these are all the probabilities for Monday as far as Nifty Midcap is concerned. Right, now let's move on to Nifty analysis. Okay, so talking in terms of Nifty, first of all, let's mark important supports and resistances. So important supports include 21,648, 660, 667, 679 and 690. Important resistance include 716, 728, 739, 746 and 758. Okay, so these are all the important resistance. So apart from this, also mark 21,638 level and 21,566 level. Also 21,781 level, 21,853 level. Okay, so these are also some important resistances and supports. Right. So I won't be going deep into Nifty analysis since it is not the expiry day. Okay, see, we do have a strong price action level here, that is around 21,627 to 21,635. This is a strong support zone, guys. Right, so this is a strong demand zone. Whenever market comes around here, market might show us some reversal possibilities. Right, then the level that we find here, okay, it is also a strong level. Okay, that is around 21,593 to 21,600. so this is also a strong level from where market could reverse. Right. Also talking in terms of support resistances. Right, wait, we will find some confluence. If we draw fib for this whole down move, are we finding any confluences? Nothing. I don't want to confuse you. Right, we will go. Okay, so the same setup, guys. Okay, so these are the important resistances. This zone, okay, this zone, that is 21,746 to 21,738 area. This is a strong supply zone, which means whenever market comes around this region, we might expect some fall. Okay, so these are all the probabilities. Right, so I hope you all are clear with the probabilities. And in case of Nifty Midcap, these are all, wait a minute, these are all also the zero hero setup, guys. Okay, these are all also zero hero setups. Since it's the day of expiry, we can find some volatile move in the market, so trade accordingly. Right, so these are the possibilities. Hope all are clear with it, clear with the Nifty Midcap analysis. Right, so if you want the previous Sensex expiry where I have decoded this move, it is in the description box below. Also make sure to check out Telegram channel, the link is in the description, where I will be sharing lively updates of which setup is being obeyed. Right, see, for example, one day I am giving 5 to 6 setups including both the sides. Right, so I will be explaining you clearly about how to take trades. Right, I will be giving you hints and clues then and there. Right, so that's all, guys. Hope you have a great weekend, and wish you all a successful trading week ahead. Bye.